Wirelessly transferring photos from Android to iPhone using Move to iOS app. This method involves using the Move to iOS app to wirelessly transfer photos from an Android device to an iPhone. Follow these steps for a smooth transition. Activate Wi-Fi on your Android device. Install the Move to iOS app from the Google Play Store onto your Android device. Ensure both your iPhone and Android device are powered on. During the initial setup of your new iPhone, navigate to the Apps and Data screen. Note, if your iPhone setup is already complete, you'll need to find a way to access the Apps and Data screen. On the Apps and Data screen of your iPhone, select Move Data from Android. Launch the Move to iOS app on your Android device, agree to the terms and conditions, and then proceed by tapping Next on the Find Your Code screen. On your iPhone, select Continue on the Move from Android screen. Wait for a 6-digit or 10-digit code to appear on your iPhone. If your Android warns of a weak internet connection, you can usually dismiss this alert. Enter the displayed code on your Android device. When the Transfer Data screen shows up on your Android, choose the photos and videos you wish to transfer. Let the process complete without interruption, even if your Android suggests it's done, until the iPhone's loading bar is also finished. After completion, select Done on your Android and Continue on your iPhone. Complete any remaining setup steps on your iPhone. Verify that all chosen photos and videos are transferred to your iPhone. Avoid using either device or receiving calls on the Android during the transfer, as this can disrupt the process. Additional feature: the Move to iOS app can also transfer text messages from Android to iPhone, in addition to photos and videos.